Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing BooHoo's jeans. Now I was just literally browsing and shopping as you do online, and I came across BooHoo's jeans section and I was kind of a bit shocked at how well they look like they fit the models for very little money. So some of these jeans are only about £12 and the most expensive are like 25. So they're quite cheap for jeans, but they looked really nice. And I've got a range of styles and colours. Some are corduroy because I love corduroy. So yeah, I'm quite excited to see how they all fit. I've also got my favourite type of jean, which is a black coated pair of jeans, which I just think they last so much longer than just normal black jeans. They don't fade. But anyway, I've got 6 pairs to show you guys, a nice big bag, and yeah, let's get to it. So I'll start with the blue pairs because I feel like they're quite practical and everyone wears a pair of blue jeans. So these ones are called the Butt Shaper Mid-Rise Skinny Jeans in Mid Blue. So all of these jeans come in a range of colours. So if you don't like the colour I've picked, they have like more options on their website. So I'm just going to open these carefully. So I got all of them in a size 8, which is my normal size, but sometimes that can come up big or small, but I thought with stretchy jeans an 8 would be fine. So they just look like this. The waist looks fairly normal. They've got some strong stretch in them, so it's not as stretchy as some jeans would be, but it feels quite sturdy. They look nice and skinny, not too short, so we'll see what they look like. I didn't notice on the model though that the stitching's actually in yellow. Don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know why I'm noticing that. It looks like something I wouldn't normally notice, but it kind of is like greeny. I don't know. I don't think it shows though. So I'll go throw these on and we can see how they fit. And I just forgot to mention, those jeans cost me just over £20 because they had like a discount running on their website, which they sometimes do. So I will link them down below. They might be a little bit more now without the discount, but just make sure you check for any deals going on because they normally have them on quite regularly, I think, or have a discount code you can use. So let's go put them on. So this is how they fit, and I've got to say they're a pretty good fit. I would wear a belt with them. These are their size 8 ones, and the waist is just a little bit on the big side for me, but the legs fit perfectly, so I don't think I could get away with a 6. Yeah, I love the colour of them. The length of them is perfect. They aren't like wrinkling at the bottom really. They're kind of my exact leg length, which is ideal. They fit quite nice at the back. I don't think they flatten or don't flatter me. So no, I really like these. With a nice belt, I think these are a good pair of jeans. So these ones were the £20 ones. We'll now move on to the £12 ones. So the next pair of jeans I'm going to show you is a lighter blue but kind of similar. They're not ripped at all, they're just, you know, blue skinny jeans, but these ones were only £10. I think that's again using the discount code. I don't remember what the original prices are, but they were probably like 20% off, so £12 I'm guessing. So they just look like this. So these all have a frayed hem on the base, but if you don't like this, you can just fold it. I find it hides it. And they just look like this, nice and stretchy, more stretchy than the first pair. So if you prefer more stretch, that might be better. The bum looks interesting. I need to see what they look like on me. It kind of looks like the pockets are going to sit fairly high on my bum cheeks. I know that sounds weird, but it's kind of a pet peeve of mine. Like I want the pockets in the middle of my bum, not like above or below it. Maybe you guys don't have the same problem, but you know. And it has belt buckle holes, which is amazing, or loops, not holes, because I find with high-waisted jeans especially, I like to be able to wear a belt, so I don't like it when I'm restricted to not having those. But yeah, I mean, they look nice. Size 8, literally a tenner. So let's see what they fit like. They might be terrible, but they might be absolutely amazing and a bargain. So yeah, I'll go throw these on. So these ones are slightly more high-waisted than the last pair you saw, but they actually fit really nice. For £10, I think these are a gorgeous pair of jeans. I love the colour of them, but they do them in darker shades if you're not a light blue kind of person, but for a tenner, they're really not bad. I know the black probably isn't going with them, but I'm actually quite shocked. They're really just nice jeans, and they're really stretchy, really comfy. So I could easily, you know, put these into my wardrobe and wear them quite often, I think. So no, I'm very chuffed with the fit of these. I would need a belt, but I think that's going to be the same with most of BooHoo's jeans. It's not just BooHoo, it's just me normally. I kind of have a bucket back when it comes to jeans, so I just get nice belts and I'm absolutely fine because it doesn't show when I hold it in. It's only if I pull it out that you can really tell that they're a little bit big, but they fit my legs lovely, so I don't want to size down, I don't think. But no, love these. Really nice and stretchy, so if you prefer movement, these are brilliant. Not sure on the fraying. It kind of looks a little, oh, it's because that bit's meant to be like that. I prefer non-frayed ends, like I like them finished off, but I think for the price you're paying, it doesn't look bad at all. So no, I like these ones. The next pair of jeans I got is the last blue pair. Now I only got these because they're patterned. I'm kind of a sucker for weird jeans, but I don't like them, like I say I don't like them too weird. I have really weird jeans and I do wear them. But like these ones I'm wearing have a seam going down the shin and on the thigh. Don't know if I can show you that. And I really like these jeans because they're a little bit different. So I thought I would try these out. So they're pinstriped denim. Like, how cool is that? Maybe it's only me thinking that's cool, but I thought with a white top in the summer, that would look so cute. And they just look like they're gonna fit really nice. So they're lovely and stretchy, nice and high waist. These ones were, let me find my phone. These were £14 for me, so under 20 quid. Nice pair of jeans for summer, so we'll see how these fit, but I'm hopeful about these. I think these will look really sweet with like white wedges and a cute white top. Fingers crossed. Let's go put them on. So I am loving these. They're exactly what I thought they'd be. They're not as high-waisted as my normal high-waisted jeans are, but oh actually I can pull them up a bit more now. So they do sit literally just below the belly button line, which I think is a really nice sort of height for jeans. It just looks really nice with crop tops, I find. But I love the lines going down them. I think they're just really funky being denim blue. Because I've had pinstripe trousers before, but you find it's always like black trousers with like white lines, rather than denim ones like this. So no, I really like these. I think they fit really nice. They're nice and skinny. Is skinny going out of fashion a bit at the moment, but I still love my skinny jeans with a nice pair of heels in the summer. Not with a black top, with a white top. I just think they'll look really cute. Because you kind of don't see the lines from a distance. You just think, oh, okay. And then bam, they're stripy. So no, I really like these ones. These are my kind of jean. I like the quirky ones, so no, I really like these. And they're nice and stretchy, a good length. So yeah, so far so good. I'm loving the jeans from BooHoo. So the next pair of jeans I got is a black coated pair. Now wherever I buy jeans from, I always test their coated jeans, just because I wear them all the time. And I have quite a few pairs, but I definitely have favourites. And I just like to trial them out here, there and everywhere, just finding the perfect fit, because I think they're perfect for people. Like, they don't get dirty that easily, they look great, they look kind of sassy, and they stay jet black, like they'll never fade. But I got these. They don't have belt buckle loops, unfortunately, and they are super high-waisted by the look of it. So they're a size 8, lovely and stretchy, a nice sort of black leathery shimmer to them. I just really like them. They're just wax coated, but I just think they kind of look like leather leggings. Let me try that again. They kind of look like leather leggings, but they kind of are more practical than leggings because they're like a bit more sturdier, I find anyway. And these were £18, so these are probably one of the £23 ones or whatnot. I will link them all down below so you can check out their normal pricing. It's just because I applied a discount code to my cart and now they're all weird prices. Like, I think these cost me £18.73p, so it's a bit of an awkward one. But I like how they look. We'll see what they look like on. Is that gonna like cover my boobs? They're so high-waisted. Oh, look at that, like that's where the crotch is. Okay, no, they'll be fine. We'll see what they look like on. This is how they fit, and I think they look amazing, but they make a weird sound when I walk because they're just a little bit more, I want to say plasticky, but they're just a little more coated than what I'm normally used to. But that'll probably wear off in the parts that rub over time. But I actually think they fit really nice, and they are stretchy. You've just got to pull them up until they're like comfy stretchy like that. But no, I mean, they fit nice. I think they, you know, they're not squashing me anywhere. They're nice and stretchy. They hug my curves nice. I could definitely wear these. Like, these are my type of jean. They don't have any belt buckle holes, but the waist is pretty good. So this is this size 8. I'm happy with it. I wouldn't go any smaller. I think it will look nice with tops tucked in or over the top of. They're just really nice sort of leather leggings, but I think they look a bit better when they're in the jeans form. I don't know, I find they look classier. I don't know what it is about them. It might be that they're slightly less shiny when they're jeans, but no, I mean, I really like them. Let me know what you think, but yeah, I think I'd prefer them with belt buckle holes, but the overall fit of these is beautiful. Like, the waist fits, even though the previous jeans have been a little bit big, so maybe they make the waist a little smaller on these ones so you don't need the belt. But yeah, that's these ones. So next we have some corduroy jeans, or they described them as velvet, so maybe they're not cords. They look like cords on the model, but they look now velvety when I look at them. So I love corduroy, I wear it all the time. I just love the sort of velvety feel of it. So velvet works for me too. And I just fell in love with this colour. It's so like red. I just loved it. So I wanted to see what they look like. So they're high-waisted, got a cool. That's a nice amount of stretch, and it pulls back quite well, so I think these might fit quite nice. Skinny leg and just really lovely, I thought. So excited to see how they fit, and you know what? I love them so much. I got them in black as well because I was just so hopeful that they were going to be amazing. And they were quite cheap, so I just was like, you know what? I'm going to get both of them and just hope for the best. So these are the black leathery ones, which again, with like black coated jeans, did I say leathery or velvety just then? I don't know. But black coated jeans, they don't fade, and I feel like these would do the same because they've got that extra layer of resistance to fading because they're like velvety. They'll stay black, which is amazing. So no, I like that. The waist looks a bit big though. They are size 8s, but I'm just thinking they might be hip huggers, which is fine, then they'll fit, but if they're around my waist, I might just have to cinch them in with a belt. But these were, let's have a look how much they are. These cost me £14 each, so they're not super expensive. Like, if I saw these in the shop and I tried them on and they fit nice, I wouldn't even hesitate at £14, so hopefully they'll fit. I'll try on the red ones first and then the black. I'm hopeful. I love them so much, and I just, look at this colour. Like, that's amazing. I love it. Okay, so I love the colour of these so much, and I mean, they fit relatively nicely. The waist is just a little bit more baggy on these ones than on the earlier pairs, but I think with a belt it should be fine. I would just love it to be a little bit tighter, but then I don't want to get any smaller because the legs would then, they might be a little bit tight. But I could trial a 6 in these. I kind of really like them, so I might try a size down. But I think they fit really nice on my legs. Lovely and stretchy, a good length. They're not too long or too short, and I just love the colour of them. Like, I think they're quite a statement pair of jeans, and I love the fact they're kind of like velvety, because they're almost corduroy. Like, if you look, you kind of think they look a bit like cords, or maybe it's just me, but I literally mistook them for cords. But no, I really like them. I just need the waist to either be a little bit smaller but the legs stay the same, or just, yeah, wear a belt. But I think a belt will look fine. Yeah. I think a belt will just be fine. I don't think sizing down will be the answer because the legs fit quite nice, so bit of a dilemma. Let me know what you think, but I think they're too nice not to keep. I just love the colour of them, like, oh. And then this is how the black ones fit. So obviously they fit exactly the same as the burgundy red ones, but because they're black, I think they get away with it more. Like, they kind of have that sort of funky vibe about them where it looks a bit nice having a bit of bag on them. Because the legs of them, they're not like super skinny, they're kind of just like straight cut but a little bit slim leg. I don't know the terminology, but they're not as skinny as the first ones I tried on. But yeah, the waist on the, like, I think the black ones with a belt, you wouldn't see that it's quite a lot bigger than me because it's black, whereas on the red ones you might see it gather a little bit. But no, I really like the black ones actually. They're quite smart, aren't they? They kind of look like work trousers in a way, maybe not. But no, I like these ones too, so let me know what you think. So that's all I got for you guys today. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the jeans and if you found it useful. They'll all be linked down below if you'd like to check them out, along with all my social media. I do have a Patreon and another channel which is all about rocks and fossils, so check that out if you're interested. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.